Good morning and welcome to SouthernCrossGO. My name's Grant. Now, if you're new to the channel, well, it's really nice to meet you. So welcome to SouthernCrossGO. Anyway, today we're going to head down to Jalan Pantai Legian, commonly known as 66, and we're going to check out a couple of the restaurants and see who's got the best big breakfast. So let's go. Okay, so we're here at 66 and this is the ZANZIBAR. Now, I've eaten here, we used to eat here all the time before COVID, and since that they've rebuilt the whole place. There's a swimming pool upstairs. And say hello.
Hi, good morning, welcome.
We've got a lovely hostess here. We're going to sit down. We're allowed to bring Lucy in on the front, which is good. We're going to sit down and check out the big breakfast.
So you are our first customer?
Yep, that's good. Does that mean I get a discount, does it?
No.
That's all right.
Wait, is this fine for you?
No worries, yeah. Anyway. All right. So I'll just get the big breakfast, yeah? All right.
We have a big breakfast.
Yeah?
You prefer scramble or poached egg for your egg? How would you
Oh, doesn't matter. Poached, try poached.
Egg, yeah? And you prefer coffee or tea for your compliment?
Coffee. All right, thank you. No sugar. Okay, so there's plenty of tables on the front here, and it's really nice right opposite the beach, 66. And there's also more tables inside here. And we'll check out upstairs. Most of these restaurants along the beach. Hello.
Have swimming pool upstairs?
Yeah. All right, so they've got an area upstairs which is really good for sunset. All right, so this is the upstairs area. There's a nice bar up here. And for sunset, this is the place to be, I'm telling you. It's really nice. So we've got tables over the side. They've got their own little swimming pool on the front. So you can actually hang in the pool, watch the sunset. Got all tables across the front. And like a little cabana pergola sort of thing over here. How good's that? Okay, so we've got some coffee here. Try it out. It's probably just barley coffee. Oh, you get a whole pot, which is good. You get a couple of cups. Suppose you've got to ask if you want milk. Yeah. So it's a really nice setting in here. Since they've done it up and renovated it all, it's got the nice little trees on the front. It's pity with the little warrongs on the front you can't see the beach anymore, but from upstairs you can. So if you're coming here, I recommend sitting upstairs. Yeah. What do you reckon, Liz? Liz? What do you reckon? Alright, so we've got a special here from 8 AM till 6 PM at night. You buy two and you get one free cocktail, so that's pretty good. 8 AM's an early opener. And also, what was the deal with the pizzas?
We also have a 3-hour pizza. It starts from 3 PM until 5 PM for weekdays. You buy one pizza, you get one more free.
Alright, that's good.
Yes,
It's a good deal.
You pay one for 2 pizza.
Alright, so from 3 PM till 5 PM, buy one, get one free. That's a really good deal, isn't it? Especially 5 PM coming on around sunset. Alright, my beautiful hostess here.
Yes.
Alright.
So this is your poached egg.
Alright.
It's come with sauteed spinach, mushroom, couple of hash brown, sausage, and a bacon. And also it's come with a bread,
Alright.
fresh sliced fruit.
Okay, so we've got some fruit salad, which looks good. Got some bread and butter. And this is the big breakfast. So you get sausage, bacon, some spinach, mushrooms, tomato, poached eggs. You can get what type of eggs you want. I've got poached eggs and some hash browns. Okay, it looks good. Dig in and check it out.
Enjoy, bon appetit.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we'll try out this. See what the bacon's like, what the sausage is like. Poached eggs. Haven't had poached eggs for ages. Actually, they're poached really good. I think I can taste a bit of vinegar, which is the right way to do it. Okay, so they got chicken sausages. They're really good. Looks like they got black pepper or herbs or something in them. Very nice. So the food's good. Lucy always stealing my food, aren't you, Lucy? Come on. Bit of bacon. Good girl. Well, so it's really good. Very good quality food. Everything's cooked nice, everything's fresh. Yeah, very good. Alright, so they've also got spinach. There's heaps of different types of spinach in Indonesia. This one is called bayam. It's actually growing wild everywhere. It's on the streets, it's all around. You can find bayam anywhere. But it tastes good. This is done with some garlic and butter. Really good. So you get heaps of fruit salad, papaya, pineapple and some watermelon. So it's really good that you get a pot of coffee because there's just heaps. I've already filled up about 3 times and yeah, there's still plenty in there. So you probably get 3 or 4 cups of coffee out of that little pot, so that's a great deal. And I'll bring the bill to the table, or you can come over to the back here and pay scan pay.
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, so you can also pay scan pay if you want.
So this is your bill. Please double check first.
Yep. So it was 132,000, about $13, but it's well worth it because of the setting right on the beach. It's really nice, especially sunset upstairs around the pool. Amazing. So just scan pay. That's it.
Do you need something else so far? Everything is good?
No, it was very good, thank you.
Alright, thank you for coming. Have a good day.
Alright, anyway, thank you.
Thank you. See you tomorrow, guys.
Alright, thank you. Come on, Liz, let's go. Thanks, boss. Okay, so today's channel shout out is to a channel called Bali Days. It's a couple of Aussies vlogging around Bali, and yeah, give them a bit of support. Go check out their channel, give them a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe and support the Aussie channels. All right. Okay, so we're down here at 66 and we're going to have breakfast at the Blue Ocean restaurant. Now, the Blue Ocean's been here 25 years probably, I don't know, at least 20 as far as I can remember. So it's just open at 7 o'clock. And there's 3 good restaurants here. There's the Pavilion, there's ZANZIBAR, and there's the Blue Ocean. So we're going to check it out. We're going to have the big breakfast. It's 85,000. 2 eggs cooked any style with your choice of either chicken, sausage, mushroom, bacon, baked beans, roast potato, grilled tomato, served with tea or coffee. All right, so that's breakfast. We're going to check it out. The Blue Ocean. See if they're open. They might not be open yet. Nice setting. It's right opposite the beach here at 66. Lucy, come on, out you go. I got Lucy with me. Out. See the booker? All right. Breakfast? Yeah, big breakfast. All right, thank you. I got my dog. Is it okay? I'll sit on the front? Yeah. Okay. All right, it's dog friendly. How's that, Luce? Aren't you lucky? What do you reckon, Luce? Aren't you a lucky girl? So no, I haven't eaten a Blue Ocean for probably 10 years. So anyway, we'll see what it's like.
Sweet, it's our menu.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's good. A lot of people come down here for sunset. Hello.
How are you?
Anjing saya. Tidak apa-apa di sini ya? It's okay? All right. Hello. Say hello for YouTube. All right. Just a big breakfast, please.
Okay. But the egg, how you like it?
Oh,
Scrambled egg,
it's fried.
fried egg,
Yeah.
sunny side up.
Yeah, if you want. Yeah.
How about the drink? You want some juice, coffee,
Iced coffee.
iced coffee?
No. Hot coffee.
Yeah. You want a cappuccino or latte or Bali coffee, Nescafe?
It comes with the breakfast, does it?
Yes. Already. This include with the Bali coffee or Nescafe?
All right. It's Bali coffee.
Bali coffee. Okay. Big breakfast with sunny side up and Bali coffee.
All right. No sugar, yeah?
Yes.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, we'll have a quick look at the menu. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy your coffee.
Thank you. Oh, tapi segulas. Diabetes. Diabetes.
Sorry.
All right, thank you.
For the lunch, we have a cocktail, $5 cocktail for the lunch. No alcohol.
Tidak pernah minum alcohol.
Juice.
All right, so the breakfast looks pretty good. They got eggs, Benedict, salmon, croissants, and fruit bowls and things like that. All right, they got snacks like prawn cutlets and spring rolls, all different types of chicken dishes, parmigianas, Aussie parmigiana, Hawaiian parmigiana, Mexican parmigiana, barbecue parmigiana. Alright, they got grills, they got pizzas, so they've almost got everything here. Seafood, fish, prawns, salads, hamburgers. It's not a gluten-free food for the young people from Chengdu, I suppose. The only ones who eat gluten-free, aren't they? Right. And kids, they've got kids meals. Yeah, and that's basically it. They've got a wine list and alcohol here too, and cocktails and stuff like that for sunset. Okay, that's basically the menu. So I just got a Bali coffee, bit of milk, no sugar, good stuff. And you sort of got to let Bali coffee settle because they don't put it through a machine or a drip, and it's just all the coffee grounds will settle in the bottom, so you just sort of got to let it settle. And yeah, Bali coffee. Thank you.
Hi, morning.
Mình nhấp ở YouTube.
On YouTube. Hi. We are from Legian. Come in please for breakfast or dinner.
Yep. Alright, so this is the big breakfast. So we get 2 eggs and some potato, some mushrooms, baked beans, and sausage, and a bit of bacon under the sausage, some toast, and your coffee. Alright, let's get into it and try it out. So it's a beef sausage. Very good. Try it out. Bit of egg, bit of bacon. What do you want, Lucy? You're hungry, eh? What's up, Liz? You hungry, eh? Yes. Still on my bacon, Lucy, eh? Okay, so the breakfast is really good, actually. The sausages are good, the bacon's good, the eggs are cooked right, potatoes are nice, everything's good. Don't forget to come in and try it, Blue Ocean. I'll leave a Google Maps link in the description for this restaurant. It's right opposite the beach at 66. Okay, so absolutely smashed that. It was really good. And yeah, it's 85,000. It's about $8.50 Australian. So, but it's well worth it. Cheap breakfast with a coffee. Can't beat it. Blue Ocean, 66. Check it out. Okay, so there's not only the front area, there's upstairs, and there's a big area out the back here. There's heaps of tables, some good fans, and they've got the big televisions for the sports. Got 2 giant televisions here. So yeah. Alright, so there's also upstairs, so we'll have a look. And upstairs, probably got a better view of the beach from up here. Alright. So this is a nice little cosy area up here. Look at this. This would be perfect for sunset. You've got all your tables out there. You can see the beach really well from up here. And sunset is more or less just straight out there. So it'd be perfect sunset viewing area at the Blue Ocean. What are you doing up here, Lucy? Come on. So I'm just going to pay with scan pay, so I'll come down the back and pay. Hello, pay.
Hi,
Good. Well, I got the blowtorch on the incense.
Yes.
Okay, so you can't use scan pay here, and you've got to spend at least $10 to use your credit card. So lucky I had cash on me, or I'd be running to the ATM machine. Oh, it's all right for you anyway. All right, thank you.
Let's see you again.
Thank you. Yeah. All right, so really good in here. Blue Ocean, really friendly staff. And it's all right, you can bring Lucy in. So that was really good. All right. Okay, so if you like that video, you know the drill. Thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications. And I'll see you on the next video.